Best AI video editing tools for YouTube creators in 2026. In 2026, AI is transforming how we edit YouTube videos. Today, I'll show you the best AI video editing tools and a full workflow to save time and make better content. What AI editing does. AI editing can automatically cut silence, suggest cuts, enhance audio, generate captions, and even help with thumbnails and scripting. The goal: fast, professional editing, without the stress. Auto cut plus scene detection. AI captions plus transcripts. Auto color and audio mix. Smart templates. Tool number 1. Auto edits in minutes. First up is Runway, one of the most powerful AI editors today. Auto scene detection. Remove filler words. Background noise removal. AI magic cuts. With Runway, you can literally upload your footage and let the AI auto-cut your best takes, clean up audio, and even add transitions. Tool number 2. Word-based editing. Next is Descript, my go-to for transcript-based editing. Edit video by editing text. Delete filler words like with one click. Auto captions. Because you edit like you edit a doc, it's insanely fast, especially for talking head videos. Tool number 3. Mobile plus desktop. For mobile creators, CapCut's AI tools are a lifesaver. Auto captions, auto beat sync, AI transitions plus effects. Edit on your phone or laptop, and let AI handle the tedious parts like captions and beat sync, perfect for shorts and long form alike. Workflow, from import to upload. Here's a workflow that uses these tools together. Workflow steps. 1. Draft plus a script with AI. Use ChatGPT to outline your video. 2. Record footage. Keep your takes clean. 3. Auto-edit rough cut, Runway or Descript. 4. Refine edits, manual tweaks plus transitions. 5. Enhance audio, AI noise reduction. 6. Generate captions, auto captions plus edit. 7. Thumbnail plus title, AI thumbnail plus SEO title. This combo makes editing faster, from hours to minutes. Quick tips for AI editing. A few pro tips before we wrap. Always review AI edits. AI is smart but not perfect. Use human judgment for pacing. Keep branding consistent. AI boosts productivity, but your creativity runs the show. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment with your favorite AI tool.